Have you ever wondered how billionaires pay less in taxes than the average working person? It's not just about earning more, it's about how they protect and grow their wealth legally. And one of the biggest secrets they use trust funds. Most people think trust funds are just account for rich kids to get monthly checks, but that's just scratching the surface. Billionaires use them like financial Swiss army knives, strategically and quietly, to avoid taxes and pass down wealth without touching the system like the rest of us. Here's how it works. Let's say a billionaire has $100 million. If they keep it in their name, that money is subject to state laws, lawsuits, and potential huge capital gains when assets are sold. But if they move that wealth into a properly structured trust, they're not technically the owner anymore. The trust owns it. That subtle legal shift changes everything. First, it reduces state taxes. When they die, that money doesn't pass through probate or trigger a 40% state tax because on a paper it was never theirs. It was a trust. They here still benefit, but the IRS gets little to nothing. Second, it protects assets. If someone sues them, creditors can't touch what's in the trust. Billionaires insulate their fortunes from lawsuits, divorces, economic downturns by locking it inside ironclad legal frameworks that most people don't even know exist. And here's the kicker trust can invest. That means instead of sitting in a saving account, the money inside a trust can be used to buy a real estate, stocks, private equity, even entire companies. Even all the profits still in the trust, still protected, still tax advantaged. Many also set up something called a grantor retained annuity trust or grade. It's one of the most powerful tax hacks the ultra wealthy use with the grade. They transfer appreciating assets like company shares into the trust if those assets grow faster than the IRS assumed rate. All that assesses growth passes to their tax free. Imagine putting $10 million in and 10 years later the trust spits out $50 million and the IRS gets nothing. But it does not stop there. Some trusts are even set up overseas in places like Simon Island or South Dakota. Why South Dakota? Because their trust laws are insanely favorable, allowing trusts to last forever, keep assets secret, and shield them from almost any legal threat. There is how wealth stays in hand of ultra rich generation after generation while the average person pays taxes on every paycheck, every sale, every transfer. Billionaires structure their wealth so it keeps compounding, untouchable and tax efficient.